Matthew chapter 21, verse 28. The parable of the two sons. What do you think? A man had two sons, and he went to the first and said, "Son, go and work in the vineyard today." And he answered, "I will not." But afterward he changed his mind, and he went. And he went to the other son, and said the same. And he answered, "I go, sir," but did not go. Which of the two did the will of his father? They said, "The first." Jesus said to them, "Truly, I say to you, the tax collectors and the prostitutes go into the kingdom of God before you. For John came to you in the way of righteousness, and you did not believe him, but the tax collectors and the prostitutes believed him." And even when you saw it, you did not afterward change your minds and believe him. If we are not true to our word, we will not be true to our faith. Many suffer from vainglory, boasting of their devotion to God while seeking notoriety and glamour in their faith, as opposed to helping the least of God's children. It is better to be a sinner who repents and accepts Christ than a poser who does not do what God truly requires of us.